Talk 10, Head Protection. Today we will talk about head protection. I saw an advertisement that inspired this talk. It said, "Don't lose your head." We can live with missing fingers, hands, or legs. But without a head, no one can survive. The helmet is one of the most important PPE items. Many workers have been saved because of their helmet. Today we will discuss the helmet itself, dangers that can damage it, care and maintenance. The helmet has two main parts. Shell, the solid outer part. Suspension system, adjustable band and straps inside. Both parts are equally important. One cannot protect without the other. Inspect your helmet regularly. Check for cracks or scratches. Even small ones are dangerous. Replace the helmet if you see any. If the helmet is hit by an object, inspect it before reuse. The suspension band keeps the helmet at the correct distance. This space absorbs impact energy. Do not put objects inside the helmet. Gloves, cigarette packs, or other items can reduce protection. Never paint the helmet. Paint contains solvents that damage the material. Use tape to identify your helmet instead. Check both the inside and outside of your helmet regularly. We can replace many parts of our body. Fingers, arms, or legs. But we have only one head. Take care of it. Without it, we are nothing.